Welcome guys, we're TrustedShoppingGuide.com and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be showcasing the Weber Genesis EX-335 Smart Grill. If you're passionate about grilling and want to elevate your outdoor cooking experience, then the Smart Grill is a game changer. It's packed with impressive features and cutting-edge technology that'll make you the envy of every backyard chef. So grab your aprons and let's dive right into this in-depth review to see if the Weber Genesis EX-335 lives up to its hype. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. First things first, let's talk about the impressive design and size of the Weber Genesis EX-335 Smart Grill. Built with a focus on quality and durability, this grill features a sleek combination of polished and painted stainless steel that exudes a sense of elegance and style. Standing tall at 63 inches with the lid open and measuring 62 inches wide and 31 inches deep, it should offer ample cooking space to satisfy all your grilling needs. One of the standout design elements is the inclusion of 4 hard rubber casters, which make it effortlessly easy to move despite being a 210-pound grill. The grill is also designed for convenience, and it doesn't disappoint. On each side, you'll find spacious stainless steel shelves that provide a lot of room for all kinds of food preparation. What's more, the left shelf houses a convenient side burner, while the right one is home to the Weber Connect Control module, adding a touch of innovation to your grilling experience. The black lid with chrome trim and a polished steel handle also adds a touch of sophistication to the Smart Grill's overall design. One nifty feature is the rubber button on the handle's right end, which activates a pair of internal lamps illuminating the cooking area during nighttime grilling sessions. The LED lights automatically turn off when you close the lid and come back on when you open it. Powered by 3C batteries, replacing them is super easy. When it comes to size, the Weber Genesis EX-335 Smart Grill offers ample cooking space for all your culinary ambitions. With its 2 main cooking grates, upper grate flavor bars, heat shields, and Weber crafted cooking grate and frame, you'll have all the room you need to explore a wide range of grilling possibilities. And the best part? Cleaning up is a breeze, thanks to the disposable drip tray included in the package. But it doesn't stop there. This grill is all about versatility. You can use either natural gas or propane gas, giving you the freedom to cook at temperatures ranging from 200 to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on the outdoor conditions. Whether you're going for low and slow or high heat searing, this grill has got you covered. Next, let's talk about the exceptional heat control and precision this grill offers. With 4 internal burners, including a dedicated sear zone burner, you have full command over your grilling experience. That sear zone burner is strategically positioned to deliver intense heat for those perfect sear marks on your favorite meats. And starting up the grill is as easy as pressing the electronic igniter button. No hassle, no fuss. But wait, there's more! The Weber Connect panel takes this smart grill to a whole new level. Equipped with 2 probe jacks and a 5-inch screen, it keeps all the essential information right at your fingertips. You can monitor the chamber temperature, check the probe temperature, and keep an eye on active timers. Plus, the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity indicators ensure that you stay connected while you grill. And let's not forget the gas tank indicator, which allows you to easily check the gas level with just a quick glance. Of course, the Weber Genesis EX-335 Smart Grill is not just about impressive hardware, it also offers an exceptional software experience that elevates your grilling game to new heights. Thanks to its Bluetooth radio, the grill effortlessly pairs with a Weber Connect mobile app, available for both Android and iOS devices. Additionally, its dual-band Wi-Fi radio allows seamless integration with your home network. So when you open the app, you're greeted with a Grills and Devices screen, which displays a panel dedicated to your grill, along with convenient access to your bookmarked and recent recipes. Tapping on the grill panel opens up a launchpad section, where you'll have full control over setting and monitoring the target temperature. With this, you can easily add temperature alerts, create timers, and even toggle the knob lights, all from the convenience of your smartphone. Now, if you want to get a comprehensive overview of the grill's performance, the Dashboard tab provides real-time information on the current grill and probe temperatures. Additionally, a chart displays the grill temperature changes over time, allowing you to keep a close eye on the cooking process. And finally, the familiar Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and fuel indicators, which are also present on the physical control panel, are conveniently located at the top of the grill screen within the app. The app also goes above and beyond by offering a vast database of recipes at your fingertips, with categories ranging from beef, fruit, lamb, pizza, plant-based poultry, seafood, and vegetables. You'll never run out of ideas for your grilling adventures. Each recipe is carefully crafted, providing detailed step-by-step instructions for guaranteed success. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, there's something for everyone. Let's dive into one of the recipes, like the skirt steak. This recipe guides you through seasoning the meat and offers specific temperature recommendations for perfect grilling. You can even input the steak's thickness and desired doneness, and the app will send you push notifications for flipping or removing the meat from the grill. And if you're looking to enhance your grilling skills, the app includes instructional videos demonstrating proper steak slicing techniques. Some recipes even utilize a temperature probe to notify you when your food reaches the ideal level of doneness. Plus, the Now Grilling button keeps track of your active recipes and their start times, ensuring easy access to your ongoing grilling projects. But the app doesn't stop at recipes. It also allows you to customize and optimize your grilling experience. By accessing the grill settings menu, you can view app and firmware versions, check the grill serial number, and configure Wi-Fi options. Notifications can be personalized to your preferences, keeping you informed throughout the cooking process. You can choose your preferred temperature unit, Fahrenheit or Celsius, for added convenience. The Getting Started section is a valuable resource, providing helpful videos that cover all the grill's features, usage instructions, and cleaning guidelines. It's your go-to guide for getting acquainted with your smart grill. Last but not least, setting up the EX-335 Smart Grill is a very manageable task that may not even require professional assistance. The assembly process is straightforward, although it's recommended to allocate a significant portion of the day and have an extra pair of hands for lifting the cooking chamber onto the stand. The setup guide also provides clear illustrations, and all the parts and hardware are well marked for easy identification. If you encounter any difficulties, however, we suggest you look into the Build app, which offers step-by-step 3D instructions to guide you through the process. Overall, the Weber Genesis EX-335 Smart Grill excels in design, size, and software experience. With its durable construction, ample cooking space, and advanced smart features, this grill offers both functionality and convenience. Whether you're a seasoned griller or a beginner, you can expect outstanding performance and exceptional results. Make it a worthy investment for any grilling enthusiast. And there you have it, folks, everything you need to know about the Weber Genesis EX-335 Smart Grill. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.